Hey guys, Sleeping Giant. Today I'm going to do a video on a couple user knives that I have. Ones that I don't really care too much about getting dirty. So I'm going to get started with the Spyderco. I think it's the Tenacious. Can't really remember. It was $60 at Cabela's. It's a nice knife. Not sure what happened to the clip. The screws came loose and the clip came off. But this is one of my users. Just a simple Spyderco. Has the G10 handle on it. The next one is the Smith & Wesson Black Ops Tanto blade with the serrated edge. If you want a good user knife, these are the knives to get. Because I've had this, the one with the Tanto blade, I've had since I was 16 years old. And now I'm almost 30. So this one has been a great knife. Tanto blade, serrated edge, Smith & Wesson Black Ops. One of the screws came on it, so it's a little loose. The other screws are a little loose. I got to tighten those. Other than that, it's been a great knife. It's got that magic switch on the back here. This is a Smith & Wesson Black Ops as well, except this one has the straight blade. I just got this one last year, I believe. Yeah, last year I got this one. Same thing, has that magic switch on it. And both of these have this safety right here. So that will lock it into place so you can't close the blade. Also, you can put the safety on and it locks that so it won't open on you. Next I have the Case Mini Copper Lock. Just a little lock back case. Got it at Tractor Supply. I just throw it in my pocket now and then. No carry, everyday carry these. I'll switch it up a little bit. So those are my everyday carries. This one here, the straight blade Smith & Wesson Black Ops, is the one I carry the most. It's my favorite user. These go for about 50 bucks, the Black Ops do. This one goes for about 70. This one was about, yeah, it was about $50 to $60 at Tractor. But yeah, those are my users. And that's it for my video for today. Thanks, guys.